Hi, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? So this is the latest update of Pancakeswap coin, my brother. Kindly be watch this video completely to understand better now to what I tell you, my brother. And this time, absolutely, the chart is going to be completely show you to they will moving upward now. So kindly, if you also want to moving upward, then now tell me we are all going now. And what's your plan, my brother? What's your plan? What you want to do, absolutely please tell us to in upcoming time. Can there is a chance to they will give you a profit or not, right? I think not now. So kindly holder, please, if you want to get a profit in upcoming time, so please my brother, you will need to do this what I tell you, otherwise you will cannot get a profit, my brother. And this time, absolutely, a lot of companies go they are decide to we will collaborate with my friends this time, as you can see here now. So if they will collaborate with us now, so there I'm 100% sure to they will give you a profit and they cannot fail us down. Please my brother, if you want to get a profit, then do this, otherwise you will lose now. Thanks for watching holder, kindly like video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.